Alright, so today we're going to use Vieja Fabrica's raspberry jam to make this delicious, absolutely mouth-watering cocktail just for you. So to make this cocktail, it's really easy. All that we need is some raspberry jam. We need some lemon juice. We need some simple syrup, which is just water and sugar, and alcohol of your choice. It could be gin or vodka. We think that this goes really well with raspberry, so we chose that. And some thyme. It gives a really nice flavor with ginger and lemon and the raspberry. So trust us on this. Alright, the first step is to take a little bit of ginger and a few leaves from the thyme and add it to your mortar and pestle and give it a good rub. We need to do this so that we can extract the juice for our cocktail. Right, let's get this party started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put the jam. Next goes the lemon juice. Next goes the simple syrup. Here's the juice of the thyme and the ginger. Next, we're gonna add some soda. And then alcohol of your choice. We've got vodka here. Give it a mix. We've got some ginger, that's julienne, so that people know that this drink has ginger. A few sprigs of thyme. And because it's summer, we've got to make it even more gorgeous. We've added some edible flowers, but that's your choice.